Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not loading. First, let's cover some essential initial checks. A simple restart of your computer can often clear up minor issues. Next, it's wise to check the Roblox server status online. Sometimes, the problem isn't on your end. Always ensure your internet connection is stable, perhaps by trying a wired connection. Finally, confirm that your computer's date and time are set correctly, as this can impact connectivity. If the initial checks don't work, let's look at network and browser-related solutions. Always use a modern, updated web browser for the best compatibility. Try disabling any ad blockers or browser extensions, as they can sometimes block Roblox from loading properly. It's crucial to configure your firewall and antivirus software to grant Roblox full access. Additionally, ensure that UDP ports from 49,152 to 65,535 are open in your router settings. Corrupted files can often cause loading problems. You should clear Roblox's temporary files from your computer's temp folder. Also, delete specific Roblox folders found in your app data directory, like the versions or client settings folders, which can become corrupted. Don't forget to clear your web browser's cache and cookies. For mobile users, offloading the app on iOS or clearing the cache on Android can effectively remove problematic temporary data. When all else fails, a complete reinstallation is often the most effective solution. First, fully uninstall Roblox from your computer's program list. After uninstalling, manually delete any leftover Roblox files or folders to ensure a clean slate. It's important to restart your computer before moving on. Finally, download and reinstall Roblox directly from the official website. This process typically resolves persistent loading issues by replacing any corrupted or missing game files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.